Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change the boot order on LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. First, enter the BIOS menu on this laptop by shutting it down completely. Then short press the power button to launch it, and while it's starting, repeatedly press F2 until you see the dashboard on screen. Here, select the boot option on the sidebar. Select Boot, then double-click UEFI boot order, or navigate to it, and you'll see your boot elements. I only have one element, so I can't directly show you how to change the order, but if you have more than one boot option, you can move items on the list using F5 and F6. F5 moves an item down the list, and F6 moves it up. Items at the top will be the first option to launch. So if you connect the bootable USB to your device, you can set it as the first on the list, then press F10 and enter to save changes and exit, and your device will reboot to the USB drive. To discard changes, press Escape and Enter. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If it helps, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave us a like in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.